kindergarten. Today I'm talking about my daily routine. I wake up at 7 o'clock. I wash my face. I wash my hands. I brush my teeth. I eat breakfast. I get dressed. I say goodbye, mommy. Goodbye, daddy. I go to kindergarten. I meet my friends. I take classes. I play games. Bye bye.
Hi everyone, my name is Safa, 5 years old. Today I'm talking about my things. This is my water bottle. This is my bag. This is my pencil case. This is my pencil. This is my eraser. This is my sharpener. This is my pen. This is my crayons. This is my pen. This is my notebook. This is my book. Bye bye everyone.